Thank you for stopping by my channel. Make sure you subscribe, click that bell, double click it so you get notifications on all. And while you're at it, make sure your phone has notifications turned on. Hi beauties, it's Jean Persani with Beauty and the Stamper. And it is time for another unboxing. So let's go ahead and see what we've got here. So again, what have you bought? Let me know in the comments below what some of the crazy things you guys are buying because you are home and got nothing to do but online shop and craft. And let me know if you're working from home. I'd love to hear it. I do work from home, so there's that. I love when they send us a big, huge box with a little tiny box inside. So let's see what this little tiny box is. Alright, this is from CamiSafe. Innovation for Life. Let's see what we've got in here. Oh, yes. This is my tripod. And it comes with the little, it's for your camera. And so you can take a picture and start and stop your camera. It's Bluetooth. It's really cool. You just pop it on. And if your Bluetooth's on, see that? If your Bluetooth's on and it's already hooked up, you can just start and stop and take pictures. This one's for Android and this is for the iPhone, which is the one I use. So very cool. I would suggest one of those for anybody. Like you can put it on your keychain or something, and like when you take family pictures, these are perfect. So I definitely would suggest those. And then you guys know I have tons of tripods because I'm doing YouTube and Facebook and all kinds of wonderful stuff. But so I always have so many, and I love tripods. I have done photography for years. I took 8 years of photography. Can you believe that? So I went to college for it. So I'm going to be learning this one. This slides right out. So you can slide your camera in and out if you want to have this automatically set up. You can use it as a, well, I'll show you. These will bend around. So you can use it to hold onto something. I'm just going to do my wrist really quick here. But you can just have it around something like this so that it holds by itself. And I think this is really cool. So then you straighten them out and you can just use them like regular legs. And sometimes if you want to have them bent a certain way, you can do that. This is just really cool. So if you are thinking about a little tripod that you can just carry with you, because you guys know I travel so much, and then this will fit right on your camera. Most cameras have that. If you want to use it for like a cell phone, then it has your cell phone attachment as well. So there we go. So then you put this just right on there. Actually, I'm going to take this off so that it's not turning. But then you put it on there. You could screw it on with a screw or just on your own, depending on how much you take it off and use it. So we've got that. And then you just put your cell phone in there, clamp it down, and you're good to go. And let's see, I use a very large cell phone. Well, so it barely fits, but it does fit. So I use the large iPhone. This is, I don't know, like a 7 Plus, I think. And then an OtterBox case on it, which I need to replace. Who knows, that might be an unboxing here pretty quickly. So, all right, and then again, this just slides in and out. And I think this is rather cool. I wanted to see if this opens up, but it does not. Yeah, so you're not going to be moving it at all. If you wanted to do some video recording like down, you're going to want to do something like this. Well, there you go. But you could do however you'd like, and then you can record while your camera's here. So that is why I like this so much. You know what? I'm going to put that link down there for you. I'm going to look real quick on here, see if there's anything that I need to know. It's got the clip I told you about. It fits most cell phones, which I showed you. Oh, it says you'd better remove your phone case and then use it to clip your phone. Okay. Adjustable rubber grips. Yep, got that. I love that. The ball joints, which makes it changeable. And the camera that I told you exactly that. Group photos or wide angle photos. And then it does use Bluetooth for the remote. And then it shows you how to do the pairing. So I think this was very well worth it, especially if you're just looking for a tripod to go out into the world, because you can just pack it in your luggage or even your purse pretty easily. You can, I was going to say, I'm going to see how small it gets. It doesn't. It gets bigger. But you could do so many things with it. Oh, there we go. That's a little bit better. Take this out. Okay, there we go. That's pretty small. All right, beauties. If you like this, please give me a big thumbs up. If you want to purchase one for yourself, I'll put the link down below in the description. And I will talk to you later. Have a wonderful day. Bye.